Hey everyone, this is my Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus and last week I got new software update. This is One UI 8 update with Android 16. Last 1 week I am using this smartphone as my daily driver. So in this video I like to sharing my user experience after One UI 8 update with Android 16 on Galaxy S24 Plus. First of all, talk about the green line issue. After the update, I don't face any major problem on my smartphone and I don't face any green line or any display issues on my Galaxy S24 Plus. Overall, the display quality are very smooth, fingerprint scanner also very fast and accurate, and the Face ID also work very well. And my device is Exyno variant. This is Exyno 2400 SoC with 12GB RAM and 512GB storage. After the update, I don't face any problem like frame drop or lag. I can play smoothly Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG Mobile on this smartphone. All the app opening and closing is with very smooth, and you also get some new animation after Android 16 update. Now talk about the camera. After the update, I don't face any major changes on the camera app. Now talk about the picture quality. All the lenses are work very well. The 50 megapixel main sensor, 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and 12 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel selfie camera work very good. But after the update I face one problem. This is the battery life. After the update I get around 6 to 7 hours screen on time. But before update I get around 7 to 8 hours. Otherwise everything is fine. So if you update your device you can face some battery issues. So if you guys already get your One UI 8 update on your Galaxy S24 series, let me know in the comment. And if you think to update your device, yes or not, I can say that definitely update your device as soon as possible and enjoy these new features. Okay, that's all about our 1 week user experience Galaxy S24 Plus after Android 16 update. Let me know in the comment what's your user experience with One UI 8. Okay, that's all about today's video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech review like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.